Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, oil-free, super high protein, super creamy, super quick and easy. This is the healthiest pistachio ice cream ever made, and it's so delicious. Made with just whole foods, but tastes super creamy, so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, throw a cup of cashews into a blender, along with 6 soft dates, 1 cup of pistachios, and a cup of plant-based milk. Next, blend it until it's super creamy. Now put it into the freezer until frozen. And enjoy my most delicious and healthiest pistachio ice cream. Thanks for watching.